Hi guys, today for our math art activity, we're going to be doing Let's Count Bird Eggs. You'll need your journal, a Play-Doh, and brown marker. Alright guys, remember you're going to have to play with your Play-Doh. Roll it, squeeze it, so you can form your balls, your circle eggs. In spring, a lot of robins come out. Bird robins. So you do like this, and then you put your egg on your nest, and then you put your number on the bottom. All right, so we're gonna I did 2 baby birds eggs. I'm gonna put your number in the bottom, 1 2 3, and right here I'm gonna show you how to do the nest. You can do like this. Some people do this. Or like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then you can put your eggs in your nest. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. And then make sure you put your number on the bottom. You can do up from 12 to 20, and make sure your nest is a little bit more bigger. Any color you want.